Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to fix getting banned from a server. So let's assume that you get banned from a server, and now what you need to do is you want to join that again. So what you can do is either you can use a VPN and create a new account on Discord. So for that you're going to be heading over to your profile, and from there you're going to be logging out. So either you can just simply switch accounts, or you can add another account in here and just simply create a new account and join the server again. But in case you are unable to join that server again, you're going to be using another Wi-Fi. So let's say you joined first server from a Wi-Fi, then you need to join the second server from a different Wi-Fi or maybe mobile network. So because you're going to be changing your IP address, and that way you can join that server again. But unfortunately you might not be able to join that particular server using your same account that you used to do. So that's how you can join the server, and I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.